you just have to open the Videoleap application and you will be on this screen. Just click the plus sign, this red button, and you just have to look for the videos that you want to edit. Okay, I'm just gonna select one first and just add to the project. So this is my video, first video. So what I want to do first is I want to trim the video because I still have a lot of introduction here. So I just have to look where I should be starting. Okay, wait. Okay, so now I would know where I should be starting. So I just have to trim this or split this one first. So to split the video, I just have to select the video and look for the split button here. Just click the split button, and so your clip will be split. So I just have to select the first clip and delete this one because I don't need this. So just look for the remove button here, and now your video is trimmed. One thing more how to trim is just have to select the video, click the end part of the clip and just drag it to where you want. Okay, I think that is the first part. Oops. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking for where the music on my recorded video started. I think from there. I think that is the starting of the music. So what I'm gonna do now is I need to add audio from my Zumba audio. So I just have to select it from my iTunes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deselect the clip. So I just deselect the clip. You would know that the clip is deselected when there is no more white. So this is the video is selected. Just click anywhere, it will be deselected. And I'm gonna click this audio menu. If you're here, you just look for your album. In this case, my album is Zin volume, which I downloaded last 2018. So my music is this, Trus Besitos Salsa. Okay, so this one I can just like expand my clip, just 2 fingers and just spread it out. And this part is the starting point of the music, and I would know that my music on the video started on this point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this audio until there, but it cannot reach, so I just trim my audio, the same thing, trim it, drag it, maybe a little more, just trim it more, trim it back, and then just drag it until the starting point of the audio is the same starting point of the video you recorded. Let's just try. That's good. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna trim my video on the end part. For this video, actually I still have an excess video after the music. Let's just try it. Let's just drag it until the end of the music. This is a very long music, so I'm just gonna track it. Okay, that's good. So my music ends on this part, but I still have a lot of music, so I'm just gonna trim out the video also of the excess. So first thing, you have to select the clip, look for the split menu, and then hit it and just delete what you don't want. Just delete it, and there you go. Let's see, let's just try it. That's good. Okay, so now you have two music coming from your clip and music coming from your audio file, and you don't want your music from your clip, so you just have to mute it. How to mute it? Just select the clip and look for the audio and just mute it. So now you only have one music source, which is from the audio clip. In that case, your video will be more clear. Let's just see it one more time. Let's just select some part and let's see if the step is in sync with the music. And that's it. So you just have to do the same thing. If you have 5 or 16 music, you just do the same thing. So you just have to click the plus sign and add another video and do the same thing.